Hey guys, it's Labor Day and not ideal weather to be outside. But I'm gonna be giving Mandy a car ride once I let the parents know that I need jackets. So I'll take care of that in a minute, and I won't believe I found here. This is a holiday tree. I don't know what I call it. Got the Snail here. This is weird. I've never seen one on here before. It's not stuck or injured. It looks like it's doing okay. Not what I expected to see. Yeah. So, yeah. Not ideal outdoor weather. For a drive, but not to be outside. And unless you really want to get wet. So, if you're new to my channel, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye for now.